Good morning, class. I'm Carla Espanyolo po, your teacher for today. So for today's lesson is all about multitasker. Mamaya, i-discuss natin mga parts ito. Pero class, alamin muna natin kung ano nga ba ang multitasker. So class, multitasker is also known as BOM, volt o micrometer. This electronic measuring instrument that combines several measuring functions in one unit. A multitasker can measure voltage, current, and resistance. So class, there are two types of multitasker, the analog and the digital. So, ngayon, analog lang muna ang ating alamin. So, ano nga ba mga parts nito, class? Okay, class, this is a sample of analog multitasker. So, the part of it is the needle, the panel, ayan, the zero collector screw, the range selection, ayan, and the range selector knob. Ayan. Diyan tayo nag-a-adjust. Ayan. The offset. Ayan. Pag pinuto ko niya, offset. Yan. The negative probe. And the positive. Ayan. So, the mirror. And the graduation. And the zero adjust knob. Ayan. So, class, this is the sample of analog multitasker.